my God, what the? Hi guys, and welcome back to another amazing video. And in today's video, we're going to be masking 10 things to make your house smell great again. So, before we get started, I know I'm not the only one that has walked into their house and wondered, like, what is that smell? Because my house smells horrible right now, and I gotta find it. So if you have been there and you wondered, what is that smell in my house? This video is for you, and we're gonna fix it fast. So come on, let's get started. The first thing that you would want to do is try to find the source of the smell. Like, track it down until you find it. Because one thing that you never want to do is try to just mask the smell, because it will only get worse. Whether it's the trash can, your garbage disposal, pets, or anything, track it down and find the source and get rid of it. Which brings me to number 2, the trash can. Always, always, always take out your trash and wash your trash can. I try to at least wash my trash can at least once a week, because I know that I cook a lot and everything and things get splattered on it. I put things in the trash can and it splashes on top of it and gets in the crevices of the trash can. So what I like to do is take my trash can once a week out to the patio, put hot water in it, and use my favorite disinfectant. You can use any disinfectant of your choice. And since my trash can has like crevices and, you know, creases in it, I always try to get a old toothbrush, or I'll just buy a toothbrush that's made just for my trash can, and I just like to scrub it after I let the hot water and the disinfectant sit on it for about 5 minutes. And then that way, if you do that and stay on top of it, you will never have to worry about your trash can ever making your home smell bad and uninviting again. Okay, so moving on to number 3. Clean your soft surfaces, whether it's your couches, your curtains, or your rugs in your living room or anywhere. Clean those soft surfaces, because soft surfaces mask smells more than you can ever believe. So just clean those weekly, daily, or your routine, however you decide to do it. Just make sure you clean them. That way you don't have to worry about smells being trapped in your soft surfaces and wondering where the smell is coming from. So the curtains, you can take them down and wash them daily or weekly or monthly. Or you can, vacuum your sofas and use fabric spray. I like to use fabric spray on my sofas. It makes them smell amazing. Or use on your rugs, you can use baking soda, like I see a lot of people do. Or you can use a rug spray if that's your route. Me personally, I do like to use the baking soda route because it's like a lot more natural. And so I do like to go that route. But after all that is done, you'll be surprised how much your home is going to smell, because the results are amazing. All right, guys, so we're at tip number 4. Tip number 4 is do the laundry. I know we can get busy with life sometimes, and we let loads of laundry pile up, but try to not let the laundry pile up, because those are big odor maskers and big odor providers in general. Even wash your quote unquote clean laundry, like your throw blankets that you just throw on the couch or in a chair, and you only are using them probably like maybe 1 or 3 times a week, and you're probably under them for about an hour at the most. But you will never believe how bad those blankets can mask odors. They are hitting very good, and bacteria. So try to stay on top of that. I try to at least do mine once a week. Does it happen that way all the time? No. But when it's on my mind, I try to get those in the washer and get them fresh and clean, because again, the laundry piling up in those blankets are really big odor providers. Okay, so tip number 5, we are in the kitchen. And can you guys guess what I'm about to say? You guessed it, the drains and the garbage disposal. Horrible provider of bacteria and odor. And what I like to do with that is I like to either pour bleach or vinegar or anything like that down my drain to get rid of the odors. But what I really like to do is I buy them off Amazon, and I'll have them linked down below in my description box if you're interested. But they are bleach packs, and what I like to do is just drop one in my garbage disposal, let hot water run, and then turn it on and just let it run for about a minute or 2. And you will not believe how much it gets rid of that odor and have your house smelling so clean and fresh. Okay, my beautiful roses, we're at tip number 6. Tip number 6 is open up your windows. Let it air out. Fresh air is free and instantly improves smell. And that's all I have to say about that. Now, let's go on to tip number 7. Tip number 7. Tip number 7 is change your air filters. It's recommended to change them probably once, 1 to 3 months. But make sure you change them because you have no idea how much bacteria and odor are circulating through your home. But I promise, by changing those filters, you'll see an improvement in the quality and the odor in your home. We are almost done, guys. We are now at tip number 8. Tip number 8 is deodorize and vacuum your rugs and your carpet. All you have to do is sprinkle a little baking soda, let it sit for a couple minutes, and vacuum it up. And that's it. Tip number 9, simmer pots. You can use vanilla, cinnamon, lemon, or whatever you choose to put in it to create that cozy, warm, natural smell in your home. Me personally, I don't use simmer pots. I just use either sprays or candles. But yeah, if a simmer pot is your way, then go ahead and do it. It is an amazing, amazing way to make your home smell amazing. When you walk through that front door or just when you're just relaxing around the house, that smell is continuous smell. That smells amazing. So yeah, simmer pots are an amazing way to go to make your home smell amazing. Guys, we have finally made it to tip number 10. Tip number 10 is finish it off with your signature scent. Whether it's your favorite candle or whether it's your favorite spray or whatever that may be, finish it off with your signature scent. Like I said in tip number 9, that I like to use sprays and candles. An amazing candle. Like, I just love a good smelling candle. It just sets the whole mood for me. So yeah, those are the 10 things to make your house smell good. Again, when you have walked into it or you wake up and you just smell just nasty in your house. So guys, I hope this video helped you. I know you've probably seen some of these a million and one times on other channels, but I consider this like an updated one if you haven't seen any of those. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And I really hope that you consider sticking around and joining me on my channel by liking, subscribing, and giving me a thumbs up. And like I always say about subscribing, subscribe only if you want to. And I will love to see you in my next video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.